To put your Cash App card on Xbox, you will need to add it as a payment method to your Microsoft account. Start by signing in to your Xbox console and navigating to the Settings menu. From there, select Account, then Payment and Billing. Next, choose Add a Payment Method and select Credit or Debit Card. You will be prompted to enter your card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. The Cash App card is a Visa debit card, so select Visa as the card type. Enter the card number, which can be found in the Cash App or on the physical card itself. The card number is typically 16 digits long and can be copied and pasted from the Cash App for convenience. After entering the card number, enter the expiration date and security code. The expiration date is also located in the Cash App or on the physical card, and the security code is the 3-digit code on the back of the card. Once you have entered the required information, select Add to add the Cash App card as a payment method to your Microsoft account. You may be prompted to verify the card by receiving a verification code sent to your phone or email. After verifying the card, you can use it to make purchases on Xbox, such as buying games, subscriptions, or in-game items. It is essential to ensure that the Cash App card has sufficient funds to cover the cost of any purchases you make. To avoid any issues, make sure the name and address associated with the Cash App card match the information on your Microsoft account. This will help prevent any errors or declined transactions. By following these steps, you can easily add your Cash App card to your Xbox and start making purchases. Remember to always keep your account information and payment methods up to date to ensure a smooth and secure transaction process.